some multiple of the other eigenvector. Okay? Now, you haven't probably seen vector addition, and I think somebody should go to jail for the fact that the curriculum of trigonometry doesn't include vectors, or does it? There's probably, my best estimate would be 83.7 schools of education, higher in universities, that should all go to jail for that. I don't really mean that, maybe just for an hour, just to give them a lesson.
Upon time.
How in the world can you not teach vectors in a trigonometry course or a pre-calculus course? Boggles the imagination. But just see, to add two vectors, you take this arrow, you have a starting point, and you do this arrow, and from the end of this arrow, you do this arrow. Right?
Mm-hmm.
And then you go from the starting point to wherever that one ends. Is that hard? No, that's really easy. And it's really about the easiest thing in all of trigonometry. So why not take a day or two and talk about it? Somebody's not thinking and not paying attention. Maybe it's me. But everything you do in engineering and higher mathematics is basically vectors. How can you let people through a trigonometry course or pre-calculus course without doing vectors? They're really easy. Okay? So anyhow, that's your picture, and the other part of the picture is your next vector is going to be this eigenvalue proportion of this one. Okay? So this eigenvalue tells you how much closer you get with each one of these. So you can really see where these vectors are going to be without having to multiply by the matrix. You can pick any starting population, and you can figure out where every one of these is without having to do the matrix calculation. And that's a big deal. That'd be totally unexpected. But once you have this eigenvector picture, it becomes really simple. Okay? There's much more to eigenvectors and so forth. The energy levels of a hydrogen atom. Everybody know what I'm talking about? Does anybody, how many have had chemistry? Okay, a lot of you have had chemistry. You know, you got the n equals 1, n equals 2, n equals 3 orbital, stuff like that. Well, those energy levels are eigenvalues. Okay? And they're eigenvalues of a certain probability matrix. The whole universe is built on eigenvalues and eigenvectors, in a sense. Now, I could say much more about that, but we've got other things to talk about, okay? So I'll just put it in the final and let you figure it out. Fair enough? Yeah, it wouldn't be all that fair, but it'd be fun.
Huh, for you?
Huh?
For you?
That depends on just how much you really, truly love this stuff.
I don't want it.
Okay?
I think this course made me change my profession.
No, don't let it do that. You've learned a lot, and you're doing great.
Keep on
Okay.
singing, keep on singing.